Hi everyone, it's me Svetlana again, and today I want to show you how I warm up my hands and fingers before I go and practice and before I compete. And I hope that can help you to warm up your hands as well. So I brought my tools with me, my hands and fingers, and what we're going to do first is just massage your hands just like that, very nicely and gently but vigorously. So do it until you feel that warmth come to your hands. After that, after you feel good about that one, you put your hands in a candle position like that and really stretch your elbows to opposite directions and pressure on one side and hold it for about 5 seconds to stretch this arm, and then other side, and again a little bit like 5 seconds, hold it here. All right, and we're going to repeat it on both sides. So this side first and then this side. All right, and after that we're going to close fists like that and just start rolling hands one direction, maybe 10-15 times, and then other way. Again, do it quickly like that. And after this, you're going to open your fingers and stretch them really out as far as you can, and then close and open, close very quickly and open slowly, close and open slowly. And you do this about 10 times. Really open slowly and feel how your fingers are stretching. Okay, after you do this 10 times, we're going to slowly close fingers and open quick. Slowly close and open quick. And again, close and open and close and open. 10 times, and let's say 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, after this, we're going to do exercise like this when you open your fingers and close it very quickly. And let's do it about 30 times. You can do more if you want to, but I think the more you do it, the warmer your hands are. So open, 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 open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and you can continue by 30. I'm going to stop here. And after this, I want you to shake your hands in whatever direction you want. Just shake, 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 and see how your arms feel. So my hands feel very warm and ready to do whatever style I want. Paso doble style, cha-cha style, anything. My hands are ready. I hope yours are too. Thank you for watching this video, and see you next time.